Hello everyone. I hope everyone will fine, and this is my fourth video on YouTube. And this is very important for the beginner. A lot of people can ask from me then that how we will learn English. It's very easy English learning for the beginners. If you start from beginners to aim a professional English, then you will never be lose and never be disappointed on your speaking. And you will speak fluently English. You will never be feel any hesitation from anyone. And I suggest you, if you learn the English from me, from your friend, then you will never feel any hesitation from anyone. You can feel freely among the peoples, and you can speak confidently in front of anyone. And I give you the two ways that how you will learn English. It's very easy. The first one is hearing. The second one is speaking. You can hear and speak. It's just two ways to learn English. It's very easy, not too much difficult. But a lot of people have been make it very difficult for himself. He can write, he can try to remember, he can keep in his mind, he can use a grammar. This is too much foolish work. It's very easy. Why you make difficult from yourself? From this video, you will able to speak English perfectly if you can do it with the perfect way. I'm giving you two ways. One is hearing, the second one is speaking. You speak, but do not feel any hesitation, like me. And now I can do a 2 months practice on this English, and now I'm able to make a video for everyone, and I can speak in front of peoples, among the peoples, between the peoples, in front of friends, in front of father, in front of friends, in front of anyone. I can speak in front of prime minister, chief minister. I'm able to that life because I can speak and I feel never be hesitation for anyone. What will they can do if you speak English? He will give you a marks on that you can speak English perfectly. So the first one is hearing. You can hear dramas, movies, films, etc., etc. But you can watch it in English. You will able to speak. You can try to speak with them. Then inshallah you will speak. And the second one is you may be how you will speak when the friend is come in front of you. Then you can speak the easy English in front of them like that. How are you? What is your name? How are you? What are they? My name is that. I'm a good man. My father is doing that. My father name is that. I belong from that. This is too much easy. Why you make it very difficult for yourself? If you learn a one sentence, then you can need to use this sentence in a day 50 times for the beginners. But if you take a start from that, then you will just use a one sentence at one time, then you will never forget this one sentence. This is I can give you guarantee for that. The one mistake that a lot of people can do in the schools, the students, when the teacher give them a story to write, essay, etc., etc., application, then they can just take, learn from the books, guides, Facebook, ChatGPT, etc., etc. This is the wrong way. But if you try to learn, if you try to write from yourself by speaking, by writing, then this will never be forgettable, and you will write the perfect. And this will never be cut any marks, because you can write from yourself and your marks will come too much. This is a very fantastic way to write in the marks, write in the papers. I mean the 10th paper, 9th papers, metric. And I can make this one video for everyone to speak in English very easily. You can deal with the shopkeepers. You can use it with the fathers and the friends, between the peoples. Do not feel any hesitation. If you feel hesitation today, then you will never be speak English. But if you do it today, then you will feel a powerful man and you can speak English with a good way. So today, this is too much important video for today peoples, for the beginner to start from today, and you can speak with the friends easily. You haven't feel any hesitation from everyone, from anyone. The first one is hearing. You can also been watch movies. Everyone has been watched. I know about everyone. Movies, dramas, films, etc., games. A lot of people can watch stories, but you can watch it in English and try to speak with them. If someone is doing take a bag, then you can use it. How is take a bag? And you can write with from yourself. You can do a mistake, it will gone out. But if you can't do it, then you will never be right and you will never be speak. And do not be trying to use a grammar in your speaking, then you will feel you will feel too much bore. In Urdu we use a bore. But if you use your minds, Allah give a mind for yourself, then you can use it. And inshallah everyone will do it, and hopefully the next video will come, a very important topic, and inshallah everyone like this one. Please subscribe my videos. You can watch it, and I'm giving a 100% guarantee that you will able to speak English for 24 hours with anyone. If you watch my all videos and support me, and you can watch me in live. Khuda Hafiz, everyone. Goodbye. Have a good day. Have a nice meeting with you. Hello. Bye.